For young people today, they have lots of choices, and I think that science and engineering, and particularly the interface between those two, is really going to be a key to our future, and we have to attract the brightest and the best.
For us, the relationship in MIT is going to start from IC1. I think very honored to have a professor interact with the students in promoting the science and technology and engineering.
It is important that we work together with organizations like Honeywell, and this partnership will ignite the minds of the youth.
I don't know if that will work for everyone.
He has been very candid, and most of all, he has been an inspiration.
I don't think NASA has ever done that.
He's answering you in a way that inspires you to look beyond what you're doing right now.
Have a seat.
I would say he has given me an insight to the field of science. I would walk away feeling more confident and knowing that I can do it because he has inspired me.
It's not every day that you have Nobel laureates coming and interacting with students. It's a great opportunity. These insights, I think, can only be brought through a person who's gone through these experiences. And I think that was a great learning experience for us to understand how we can probably plan our careers ahead.
I think the exchanges were really very positive. The questions just kept coming. They were good questions.
A and B close together. So what is the reason behind that?
Oh boy. The students really had a lot that they were thinking about. I hope that I've stimulated them to think about their careers, their lives, what they can contribute to society.
Being so privileged to be here and interact with him on this kind of a level, I think it's amazing. Because we as engineers, we're not just people who are just going to learn some concept and go out and apply the same thing over and over again. It's our duty to note down problems that are happening around us and, to find solutions, to find effective solutions and implementable solutions. So I think that's what he stressed on, and he inspired all of us in a huge way.
I think our campus really needed something like this, and Honeywell has provided a really wonderful platform to interact with somebody of that stature. So I'd really like to thank Honeywell for getting something this great and huge to us.
Even before I joined Honeywell, I knew about Honeywell's initiative of science and engineering, and that was one of the selling points for me to join Honeywell.
I think that the Honeywell Initiative for Science and Engineering is a really remarkable program. It's very important that they understand what their passions are.
I would like to thank Honeywell for taking this initiative to get Dr. Ashraf here and bridging this so-called gap between the engineers that are going to come out and the post careers that they're going to take. That's something which has been really great.